Welcome to Phonics Funland. Are you ready to read bigger words? Let's blend 5 sounds from groups 1 and 2 and read like super readers. Our first sound comes from group 1, which are s, a, t, I, p, n. Now you try. S, a, t, I, p, n. Now let's practice group 2 sounds. K, e, h, m, d. Now you try. K, e, h, m, d. Are you ready? Let's read. S, t, st, a, st, stam, p, stamp. Now repeat. S, t, st, a, st, stam, p, stamp. S, t, st, a, st, stan, d, stand. Repeat after me. S, t, st, a, st, stan, d, stand. S, t, st, a, sta, k, stack. Repeat after me. S, t, st, a, sta, k, stack. P, per, e, press, s, press. Repeat after me. P, per, e, press, s, press. E, me, d, med, a, meta. O, medal. Repeat after me. E, me, d, med, a, meta. O, medal. T, tra, a, tra, k, track. Now repeat. T, tra, a, tra, k, track. S, t, st, I, sti, k, stick. Now repeat. S, t, st, I, sti, k, stick. P, per, I, pre, prin, t, print. Now repeat. P, per, I, pre, prin, t, print. K, cr, a, cra, k, crack. Repeat after me. K, k, cr, cr, k, crack, d, dr, dress, dress. Repeat after me. D, dr, dress, dress. Sn, sna, k, snack. Repeat after me. Sn, sna, k, snack. Sa, t, sat, satty, satin. Repeat after me. Sa, t, sat, satty, satin. Fantastic blending today! You worked so hard on your sounds. Let's say some of our words one more time. Stand, stamp, medal. Brilliant reading. Keep practicing your sounds at home. A little bit every day makes you even stronger. If you'd like more phonics fun, you can follow along so you don't miss our next lesson. See you next time!